Hello folks, and I'm coming at you today with another unboxing. This time I got some book mail from GJ Terral as I won another one of those X contests, and he sent me a bunch of stuff, and let's open it up together and just see what we find. Alright folks, we're gonna get started with this unboxing. I gave myself a little starter, a little easier to open it up. But anyways, please ignore those cords. I'm still trying to set up what my office is gonna be. But let's get into it. Try to open it up like it's a present on Christmas because I am pretty excited for this. Oh, okay, opening. Ooh, okay. I was not expecting the box to be designed as well. No less blood is shed when bonds become broken. That's heavy. I like that. All right, first reveal. What's up? Is there tape there? There is not. We're gonna pop. Oh my God. Oh, there's a personalized message and everything. Oh, look at that. Holy shit. Okay, sorry for my cursing. I was not expecting the hype. Oh my God, let me see, can I get a better angle of that? Oh, that is. Okay, I was not ready for the amount of hype I was about to get with this. God, the red just makes it all look kind of bloody too. Let's read the card. Michael, thank you for entering the giveaway. I hope you enjoy this story as much as I did writing it. And as you can see, it's part, oh, there we go, part from the cover. Ah, thank you so much, that's awesome. Ooh, more tidbits. Oh my God, I don't know who these people are yet, but like, look at the shimmer on it. I can't wait to learn. Jesus Christ, this is beautiful. I was not ready for this. I was not expecting the quality of all these things. Like, this is easily the best book mail I've ever gotten. Sorry if he's staring into your soul over there, because he's definitely staring into mine. But he's gonna hang out there as I keep going with so many of these pieces. Jesus. All right, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with all these, but they're beautiful. Oh, they're even got like a little tiny signature. Oh, can we get a little better viewing of that? There we go. All of these are stunning. And then we have the book itself. Oh, I'm kicking a little bit out of there. Yep. Oh, even the bottom. The bottom. Hold on. Before we get to the book, bottom, if I pull up all of this blood, you can see there's a symbol underneath it. I assume it's relevant to the story. I don't know yet. I haven't read it, but I'm very excited to get into it now. Jesus. This is very cool. Wow. All right. I was not ready. All right. We're going to put this aside for a second. Open up the book itself. As you see, a little bit came off, but that's okay. Get a little pre-unwrapping. Oh, if I can do this. The paper's so nice, I don't want to break it up too messily. But, oh, too late. And bam, there she is. This is beautiful. The Binding Tenants Trilogy, Bloodwoven, Book 1, J.G. Terral. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Ooh, I love how like smooth it feels. It's almost like velvety. And getting in there. Bam! Look at that. His hand touched it. We have proof. Awesome. Thank you so much for this. This is probably going to be my next read after I get through my current one. Yeah.